Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
On March 26, 2025, a Hillsborough County deputy in Florida stopped a vehicle for speeding. The driver, however, had no intention of cooperating. What started as a minor traffic infraction was about to escalate into a serious felony arrest due to one critical decision.
Do you understand that when you're passing many cars?
What I'm telling you is I can see my speed limit. It tells me the speed limit right there, 45. I was going 35.
I understand that. Do you understand that I'm a trained motor cop? I do this for a living.
You have something to show me what I was going 60?
Yes, you were passing all the cars.
You have something to show me.
My radar showed you at 57 miles an hour, and you're passing all the cars.
Sir, I know what I was
doing. Did you know that you were passing all the cars?
I was going 35. Okay. There was no cars on the road. It was just me and you. Have you been drinking? Sir, go run my license. Get out my face, please. Go ahead. Bye.
I'm trying to educate you.
Don't ask me if I've been drinking. That's a racial slur right there, because how do I look like I've been drinking? Because I'm telling you what I was going.
Because you're doing 35
you want to do a breath?
The situation shifted when the officer discovered the vehicle's temporary license plate was expired and invalid. In Florida, this allows the officer to confiscate the tag. When he returns to explain this, the driver refuses to accept the law, setting the stage for a physical confrontation.
It's no longer assigned to the vehicle.
It is assigned to the vehicle.
It's not.
So I need you to go put that back.
It's a
temporary. Do you need to see my registration?
No, I don't.
Okay,
because
but I
no
have 30 days. Okay, I have 30 days to get a tip. This is just expired today.
Yes.
So I have 6 more days to get my license plate.
Wrong.
Yes, I do.
We're not going to argue on the side of the road so I can get hit by a car
So
while
you
I'm
have a
talking
license
to you.
plate to put on my car?
No.
So I need to put that one back.
You need to go get it.
Exactly. So put that back side and go get it.
It's not assigned to the car. I'm not having this
Yes, it is.
discussion
I
with you.
have my registration in my.
You're getting a ticket today for speeding. We can go in front of the judge and we can explain how you were speeding today. There's a fine that you can pay or call the number to traffic court. I'm not putting license plate back. You're free to go.
Yes, you are.
No.
I have my registration in here.
You're free to go.
Which you never asked for.
I don't need it. You're free to go.
Yes, you do. It's a temporary license plate. You're not supposed to take that.
You are free to go.
I need my license plate, sir.
You are free to go.
I need my license plate. How am I going to drive without a license plate? Make it make sense.
Just drive.
I need a license plate. How am I going to go drive without a license plate?
I'm not talking to you anymore. You're free to go. Get back in your car.
You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to do that. I need my license plate back on my car. I have 6 days.
That was the moment everything changed. By striking the officer's hand to prevent him from taking the tag, she committed battery on a law enforcement officer. The deputy immediately moves to arrest her, but she decides to use her children and her phone as shields to avoid consequences.
My face! Don't touch me! Freedom of speech! Get your out my face!
Send me a 94, 1018.
Get your ass out my face! Don't touch me! If I don't touch you, don't touch me! Simple. Get your ass out my face!
54, just have somebody send it
Get
to
your
you.
ass out my face!
You're going to be arrested.
For
Get
what?
out of the car.
For what?
Get out
What
of the
are
car.
you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for? I need to
Get
know.
out of the car.
What are you arresting me
I
for?
told you to get back in the car.
What are you arresting? Okay, so what? I can stand out in the street if I want to.
Threatening me, telling me
I
that
can
you're
stand
gonna
out in the
shoot
street.
me.
I can stand in the street. Do
Then
I have a
you tell me
gun?
that you're going
No,
to
I
shoot
don't.
me.
So you can't arrest me.
You're going to
Let
be
me go.
arrested. Stop.
Let me go then.
Stop.
I have
Get out of
kids.
the car.
Let me go.
Get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Let me go, because you're arresting me for no reason.
out of
Let
the
me
car.
go
Now
now.
you're going to get another charge for resisting.
Let me go. I'm not resisting. You're
Stop.
arresting me for no reason. Let me call
Stop.
my people.
Stop.
Don't pull me. Do not pull me. I'm going to call my people.
Okay.
Let me go.
You can sit here until my backup gets
I
here.
don't care.
You're not going to call
touch
anybody.
my phone. You stupid. Don't touch me.
So you're going to call more people?
I'm
so
going
you
to
can
call
come
my
inside.
people say, come get my kids.
So
Are you
come
stupid?
fight. Yeah.
So I can go get my kids. Are you
Stop.
stupid?
Stop.
I have 2 kids in here.
Stop. Stop.
Don't touch me, sir. Back up. Don't touch me. I'm telling you, don't touch me.
You're making this worse.
You're making it worse because I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
You're making this worse than me.
Don't touch me. I'm calling my family, say, come get my kids. Is you stupid?
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the
Don't
car.
touch me.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Stop trying to touch my
You're
phone.
really making this
Stop
worse
trying
than
to
it
touch
used to
my
be.
phone. I have the right to use my phone. This
No,
is
you
my
don't.
phone. Yes,
You
I
are
do.
under arrest. I'm telling you right now.
I'm
You're
not under arrest for anything.
And you are resisting.
I'm not under arrest for anything.
You are
Back
under
up.
arrest.
Back up. Let me go,
Oh
sir.
my God, you're going to
Let
get
me go.
tased.
Let me
You're
go.
going to get tased. You want
For
to get
what?
tased in front of your
So you
child?
go to suits? I can sue you?
Because
So
I'm
I can
telling
sue
you.
you? You're
I'm
arresting
telling
me
you
for
that
no
you're under
reason.
arrest.
You're arresting me for no reason. You're arresting me for no reason.
I'm trying to go 10:15. She's resisting. Get somebody here
I'm trying to get
10:18.
somebody to come get my kids. kids. I have 2 kids in here.
Let go and get out of the
I
car.
have 2 kids in here. I have 2. You are a
Stop.
speaker. He keep touching me.
Stop.
I have 2 kids in
Get
here.
out of the car.
I got 2 kids. I need somebody to come get my
Get out of the
kids.
car.
You're scaring my kids.
You're scaring your
No,
kids.
you
Get
are.
out of the car.
I need somebody to come get
Get
my
out
kids.
of the
No,
car.
I'm not getting out of my car. I'm not getting out of my car.
This is incredible.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. You arrest me for nothing because I said I'm going to shoot you. That's not okay, so what? It's a freedom of speech, sir. It's a freedom of speech, sir. I can say what I want in my mouth. It's a freedom of speech. You're mad? You're mad because you're racist? You're mad because you're racist? Yeah, you're racist. You asked me, was I drunk?
Despite her claims of racism and freedom of speech, the charges are purely based on her physical actions. Watch how quickly her attitude shifts from aggression to tears once the reality of jail sets in. This is the definition of instant regret.
Touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop
Parsons is
touching
just north of Jersey.
me. Stop touching me. I don't want you touching me.
10-4, they're 51 to you.
Don't touch me.
24.
I'm over here by Rosier Street, by my house. He's arrested me because I told him I'm going to shoot him and I don't care. Because you're racist, sir. You're racist. And I got my license. I don't care. I got a registered license. I got a registered license. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. He keep touching me, and I told him not to touch me. I don't want. No, I'm not. I got kids here. I'm not going nowhere without my kids. No.
Yeah, he's right here.
Loader
24, I'm 97.
I said, I don't want you to touch me.
Out of the car.
Somebody else touch me. I don't want you touching me. I'll let somebody else.
Car up against the car.
Can you please come get my kids, Ronisha, please? It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'm pretty sure it's okay, mommy. It's okay.
He just pulled up to help.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Do not cry. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't cry. Don't
Let's get her
cry.
out of the
I love
road.
you. I love you. I'm sorry.
The 29-year-old driver was booked on charges of battery on a peace officer, felony, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. If you found this case compelling, please remember to engage with our content. Liking this video helps us reach a wider audience interested in true crime. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on how the officers handled this volatile situation. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into police body cam footage. Your support drives us to continue providing detailed coverage. Thank you for watching.